It's week 2 of vacations and I have literally nothing to do. I'm bored. As a kid, we used to make stilts out of bamboo poles and then try to walk around them like crazy. So I thought it would be even more cooler to share it with you. So welcome back to Nature Adventure. What are we waiting for? Let's jump right into the video. So let's go. For the stilts, we need 2 bamboo poles that is adequate enough to hold our weight. Then we need 2 little sticks that act as a footrest, and then we need rope. I've already found some rope. Time to go searching for some sticks. There are loads of mosquitoes here. Whoops. Whoa. I was about to step on the ant. They're the red ones that bite. Better to leave them alone. Let's go hunting for our sticks. Do you think this stick is good enough? Oops. That broke. We need something more sturdier. You think this one is good? Oh, this one looks good. So we've got all our things. The rope, the foot stands, and I found 2 sticks. All we have to do is tie the footrest horizontally to the vertical stick. Do remember not to tie the footrest too high on the stick. Make sure to make it a bit tight because it has to take our body weight. Just finished doing one. I don't know how much of my weight it will be able to take. Looks strong enough though. Time to make the second one. We've completed both of them. It happened to be that one stick is longer than the other, but hopefully it can take my weight. Let's try it out. I gave it my best shot. I gotta go and practice some more. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.